Oh, I promise I would.
I think that a lot of people say that the best marriages start with the foundation of love, and that's true, but I think friendship will make it so you can get through anything. And I'm happy that two of you are friends, happy that two of you are married, and happy that I'm here to be part of it.
Morning, come quickly.
Now, unfortunately, I am the best man, but I'm not the first choice. I know. It sucks. That sucks.
I'm nervous, I see what's happening.
So Mike couldn't be here, so I'm honored that I got to take his place, truly. Mike had a couple things he wanted to say, so I'm just going to read Mike's message to you. He said that even though I couldn't be there to stand up next to you in person, I want you to know how proud I am of you. Congratulations, Tom, and welcome to the family, Christie. Can't wait to see what you guys do next. I love you, and we miss you.
Tom, my very best friend, the man that has exceeded my expectations in every aspect and continually shows me that fairy tales do exist. I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and to allow you to do the same for me. I'm so excited for this adventure that will begin today, and to call you my husband. I love you forever and always. Love, your wife.
Come quickly, you're holding my breath this time, and I'm nervous, I see what's happening.
Christie, happy wedding day. We finally made it. Can you believe the day is here? And who would have thought that we'd be here today after that first Harvest Festival at Stony Brook? I'm so glad we were lucky enough to get to know each other in college and grow as friends. And I'm so lucky and grateful to be a part of your awesome family. I can't wait for us to start a family of our own one day, full of Cocker Spaniel puppies too. I'm so excited to see what the future holds for us, and I wouldn't want to start my life with anyone else by my side. You're my best friend, and I love you so much. I'm so excited and can't wait to see you walk down the aisle, and I can't wait to say I finally do to you again. Here's to the first day of the rest of our lives together, my love, Tom.
And I couldn't find the words to say, the feeling of the weight I promise I would.
You look amazing!
Thank
you.
you.
You look so beautiful. You look incredible.
Thanks!
Hey.
Do you like it?
Yeah, oh my God, I love it. Look at this. Hey. Oh, I'm so happy.
I know! Oh my God, I can't believe it's here.
I know we did it.
Say no to you if I could.
You do face tough times, remember what got you here today, not focusing on the difficulty, and then be forgiving. You might be surprised, but somewhere along the way you're going to need forgiveness. And so I learned a long time ago that if I want to receive forgiveness, I've got to be willing to give forgiveness, to not hold on to things, but let it go. It is my honor and privilege today, as a minister of the gospel, and by the authority vested in me by the state of Tennessee, to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
And I couldn't find the words to say, the feeling of the weight I promise I would.
Christie's best friend.
Christie is a lucky woman. She has found someone who is sweet, funny, attractive, and smart. And not only all of that, but there's two of us. But not only is Christie hilarious, she's an exceptional friend.
Christie is a fiercely loyal and loving person. She is there in a heartbeat whenever you need her and is someone you can truly trust.
Tom is a genuine, caring, creative human being. We couldn't have asked for a better partner for our best friend. Life has thrown a lot our way, and I'm glad we had each other every step of the way.
The words to say, the feeling of the weight I promise I would, and I couldn't find the words to say, the feeling of the weight I promise I would, but I couldn't find the words I promise I would. I'd say it all to you if I could. No, I couldn't find the words to say.